Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with the new topic, that is highest common factor, that is HCF, or you can say greatest common divisor, GCD. HCF of two or more numbers is the greatest of their common factors. Means if suppose I want to find the HCF of 9 and 12. Factors of 9 are 1, 3 and 9. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Now out of these, common factors are 1 and 3. I want to find the greater of the common factors. Now common factors are 1 and 3. Out of these two, 3 is the greater common factor. So I will say HCF of 9 and 12 is 3. Now we have various methods of finding the HCF. The first method is prime factorization method that we have just discussed. For example, if I want to find the HCF of 36 and 252. Firstly, I will write factors of 36. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. Similarly, factors of 252 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 12, 14, 18, 21, 36, 42, 63, 84, 126 and 252. We have discussed in the previous exercise how to find the factors of a number. Now the common factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, then 12, 18 and 36. These are the common factors. Now from these common factors, the largest common factor is 36. So I will say HCF of 36 and 252 is 36. Second method is division by common factors. What we do, we write both the numbers whose HCF we want to find, that is 36 and 252. Then we see by which smallest number it is divisible. Now 2 divides the number, so we write quotient here. When 36 is divided with 2 we get 18. When 252 is divided with 2 we get 126. So we will write here. Again we will see whether 2 divides these two numbers. Yes. So again we will divide. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 126 divided by 2 is 63. Then now 2 is not dividing these two numbers. So yes, but 3 is dividing. So we will shift to 3. 3 3s are 9. When 63 is divided with 3 we get 21. Again 3 is dividing. 3 1s are 3. 3 7s are 21. We do till we get prime numbers here. Now how to write the HCF? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. That is 36 is the HCF of these two numbers. The third method is by continued division method. I want to find the HCF of 36 and 252. So what I will do, I will write the smaller number outside and the larger number is divided with the smaller number. So we get a 7 here. Answer remainder is 0. So 36 is the HCF of these two numbers. Let me take another example for this method. If I want to find HCF of 36 and 192, smaller number will be written outside and the larger number will be divided with the smaller number. We know 36 5 is 180. So we get 12 as the remainder. In this next step, what we will do, we will again divide this remainder with this 36. Means 36 will be written here. 36 will be divided with 12. So 12 3s are 36. We proceed this step till we get 0 here in the remainder. So the last will be 12. It means 12 is the HCF. Next is lowest common multiple. The lowest or we can say smallest. The lowest of the common multiples of two or more numbers is called the lowest common multiple. For example, if I want to find, we say it LCM also. Suppose if I want to find LCM of 24 and 36, as the name suggests, lowest common multiple. So firstly we will write multiples of 24 and multiples of 36. So we have written here 24, 42, 72, 96, 120, 144 and so on. Similarly, multiples of 36 are 36, 72, 108, 144 and so on. Now common multiples are 72, 144 and so on. But LCM of these two numbers is lowest of the common multiples. Lowest means the smallest, that is 72. So LCM is 72. Next, we have various methods of finding this. First method is common division method. In the common division method, as we have done in HCF also, suppose I want to find the LCM of 24 and 36. We will again start with the smallest number that divides these two numbers. 2 divides 24. So 2 12s are 24, 2 18s are 36. Again 2 6s are 12, 2 9s are 18, 2 3s are 6. Then now 9 is not divisible by 2, so we will write 9 as it is. The number which is not divisible we will write as it is. Now again 2 3s are 6 and 9 will be written as it is. Now 2 doesn't divide any of these two numbers, but we can shift to 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Then again 3 1s are, this 1 will be written as it is, then 3 1s are 3. In LCM we do till we get 1 1 here. So LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So the answer is 72. Next method is by prime factorization. Again I am taking these two numbers 24 and 36. Firstly we will write the prime factorization for 24, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. For 36 it is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now how we will write LCM? We will see the common of these two. 2 is common, so this 2 will be written only once, one time. Again 2 is occurring in both of them, so we will write this 2 only one time. Again 3 is occurring in both of them, so this 3 will be written only one time. Now the factors which are left, we will write them 2 and 3 at the last. The common factors will be written only one time and the factors which are left will be written as it is. So the answer is 72. Now the question is find the HCF and LCM of 15 and 24 and 30. Firstly I am going to find the HCF. For 15, here if we have three numbers, then we select the two smaller number, 15 and 24. So when 24 is divided with 15, it will be 15 ones are 15, we get 9 as the remainder. Then this 15 will be divided with 9. This 15 we will write here, 15 is divided with 9. Now 9 ones are 9, we get 6 as the remainder. Now it is not 0, so this will be further divided. This 9 will be written here, means 9 will be divided with 6. 6 ones are 6, we get 3 as the remainder. Now this 6 will be written here, then 3 2s are 6, we get a 0. So we will stop here. That at the end this will be the HCF. So 3 is the HCF of 15 and 24. But we want to find HCF of 15, 24 and 30. So still we have another number. What we will do? Now this 3 will be divided with the third number. 3 is divided with the 30. Now 3 tens are 30. Answer is 0. Remainder is 0. So it means 3 is the HCF of these three numbers. Now if I want to find LCM of these three numbers 15, 24 and 30, what we will do again, 2 15 as it is. Now 2 12s are 24, 2 15s are 30. Now 15 again will remain as it is. 2 6s are 12, then 15 as it is. Then 2 3s are 6, these two 15s will as it is. Then 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. Then again 5 1s are 5, 1 and 5 1s are 5. So LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, that is 120. Now next your home assignment question is find the HCF and LCM of 24, 36 and 40. Thank you. Have a nice day.